Ayan, para makauwi na rin po tayong lahat. Meron pa pong birthday party yung dalawa. Lahat? Ayun, may lighter. Very good. Okay, meron na po bang... Ayan, okay, dahil dyan, sabay-sabay po natin kantahan ang ating dalawang celebrate ng happy birthday song in 3, 2, and 1! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Let's go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Elizabeth, happy birthday to you! Zoe, and I'm thinking 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday, Zoe! Happy birthday! Ayan, talapan po natin sila and then you may blow your candle. Siyempre, wish po muna tayo. Okay lang po, be careful. Nag-wish pa po sila, sige. Ayan, and kapag ready na po kayo blow your candle,